Dogecoin is starting to show some bullish behaviors. Will we see a $1 Dogecoin this bull run? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're doing a deep dive on DogeVerse. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. And like always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let's go ahead and jump into what's going on with DogeVerse. DogeVerse up 7% on the week. And the day we're up, or I guess we're down 1%. We were up a little bit earlier today, about 3-4%. It looks like it's coming down. Will we see Dogecoin hit $1 this bull run? That's what we're going to talk about, as analysts are predicting some bullish things to happen to Dogecoin. We can see Dogecoin price prediction up 50%, upside potential hinge on Bitcoin holding above 65K. Before we do the full dive on DogeVerse, guys, I want to take a second to highlight this pre-sale gem that's going to be absolutely berserk. They've raised over $15 million, and this is DogeVerse, the world's first chain traveling Doge. Guys, 15 million raised in the past 5 weeks. We imagine post-launch this is going to go absolutely insane. So it's your last chance to buy before it launches. It's buy DogeVerse. DogeVerse goes on multi-chains, so you can buy and claim DogeVerse on any of the following chains: ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Coinbase, Solana, you name it. It's featured on a ton of different articles, has a multi-bridge utility, a solid roadmap in place, and great tokenomics. To top that all off, you also have staking, currently paying out 53% APY, which is absolutely solid. Not only that, they're growing their socials rapidly fast. We see over on X, we have almost 19,000 to almost 20,000 followers. So people, the memes are memeing. People are bullish on this project. You're not going to want to miss out. But let's go back into Dogecoin, because I want to do an update as I'm seeing some bullish indications for Dogecoin and what's coming next for Dogecoin. Technicals are the oscillators are neutral. Moving averages are in strong buy. Summary is giving us a buy. When we're looking at the overview, guys, great things happening with Dogecoin. We see on the week we're up 7%, on the month we're up 1%, and past 6 months we're up almost 100%. A lot of bullish indications that this puppy could absolutely break past some new highs if we could see Bitcoin get that push. Even getting lots of news coverage on Dogecoin, guys, and that's what we want to see. We want to see exciting things happen for Dogecoin. So Cardano Whales returns to tables, increase massive holding by 10%. Will Bitcoin cross $73,000 next week? How will that play back into Dogecoin? Dogecoin community reacts to new X payments process launched this year. So it looks like we're seeing X use Dogecoin as a payment. So an insider from X and Dogecoin team who signs his message as Doge designer on the X platform, has revealed that X payment service is expected to launch later in 2024. The Dogecoin army immediately responds to that tweet, along non-crypto users, both looking forward for the release of this much anticipated feature, Elon Musk's popular free speech platform. So when Doge, Elon Musk does not confirm plans to add Doge to X so far, but again, people are still bullish. Celebrity X owner Elon Musk has not made any statements about the future of Doge as an official currency in X, but that does not discourage the Doge army. I'm not mistaken, at one point you could use Dogecoin to buy Teslas, but again, that could have just been rumors. Okay, we can also see a lot of news coverage going on for DogeVerse. We're gonna come back to this article in a second. Overall crypto market, guys, is very important. We can see the market's up about nothing, but at least in the green. In terms of fear and greed index, we are sitting closer to greed, so we re-entered greed, dancing with greed and neutral. Hopefully in the coming weeks we could break into extreme greed. Bitcoin is above $65,000. We're leveling to hit that $72,000 zone. In our last Bitcoin video, the update video we just made, I believe yesterday, we're talking how Bitcoin has a flag pattern formation, which we could easily see it hit $72,000, and Bitcoin's about to go parabolic, and this is obviously going to bleed over into the rest of the cryptocurrencies. Now, Dogecoin's still at number one in terms of market cap, and in terms of meme coins also at number one. $22 billion market cap. Closest behind this would be Shiba Inu at a $14 billion market cap. Still a small yet massive gap, and we're seeing again up 6% of the week. DogeVerse is looking not too shabby. The main thing here, guys, is DogeVerse it's just a meme coin. There's no utility. There's no Dogecoin NFTs. No Dogecoin swap. It's just a meme token. And also the cool part is how Elon Musk loves and endorses it. If that X payment processor happens, we're using Dogecoin as a payment. It could be absolutely parabolic for the project. But in general, he's on the side of Dogecoin, so that's obviously very great for the project, and that's going to really bleed into the fundamentals going into the future, right? Is Dogecoin about to take off? Indicators suggest upward momentum ahead. Dogecoin correct gains a tested 15-cent zone against the US dollar, and now forming a base, might start fresh increase above 15.20. Doge price jumps to 16 before correcting gains. The price is trading above 15 level and 100 hourly simple moving average. There's a key bullish trend line forming with the support at this price on the hourly chart of Dogecoin. Oh, fireworks. I guess there's a celebration outside. All right. And the price must settle above this price, or 15 cents for, to move in a positive direction to a fresh surge. So again, all these support levels are indicating that we are very close to break past that point, and this could really cause the Dogecoin to go into some bullish momentum. Now, we're very bullish for Dogecoin here on the 99B YouTube channel, but let me know how you guys feel about DogeVerse in the comments. Let me know how you guys are feeling about Dogecoin in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. But remember, like always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.